Maybe, I don't know. Dude, I have to make Spike Ascended. Dude, it'll be crazy, dude. I don't know if it should use Aftermath or Bloodbath. I kind of like the Bloodbath part of the song better, but like the Aftermath would make sense. And also it'd probably be people wouldn't get confused with Bloodbath. I swear, dude, literally the music in Michigan's okay, Michigan and Evasium or Asonic, it's all the same. And then Etzer is just at one part in Cataclysm. Same with everything after that. I think. Hold on, I forgot what it sounded like. I don't remember what the latter part of the level sounded like because I haven't gotten there from 0 yet. G-boy. All I need is Michigan practice. This part may be dumb, but I really like it.
Yes, bro. I get it.
Wait, did you do it? Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Nice job, dude. Holy crap. Nice job, dude. Holy crap. This is 100% GG. That's a nice job.
Oh my god.
Dude, I remember when you were like,